Hey, hello everyone. My name is Amit Singh. We are basically here to announce a new series on artificial intelligence because you are listening about artificial intelligence in every office meetings, in every meetups, in every video that you see or news that you see. So what here we are coming with an exciting news is that uh, Panther Schools and MuleSoft are coming together to come up with a new series called AI Nuggets, where we are going to share the content related to AI, where we are going to cover so many things, everything in detail about AI. And the best thing about this series is that these are going to be very small videos so that you can learn, you can understand what AI is, how it works, and it is going to come up in two languages, Hindi and English both. So before we come up with our next series or next topic, would like to follow Mule Raymond and you will get the updates about whatever we are sharing here. Go to Panther Schools YouTube channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you get whatever we are posting within no time and you just go ahead and watch it. Thank you.